Hello, this is Miss Maddie from the Winnetka Library, and this is our DIY lip gloss instruction video. Inside your kit, you're going to find TKB gel for the base of the lip gloss. The oil is liquid coconut oil. And the pigment powder is also from TKB. There's a variety of colors, so you might not have the one in the video, but the instructions are the same for all colors. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get the oil, and we're going to add the pigment powder to the oil and mix it up with our popsicle stick. I'm using the black pigment powder in the video. So I'm just going to put in a little bit and then give it a good stir. You want to make sure there aren't any clumps. So next I'm going to get the gel base for the lip gloss. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in the oil and pigment just a little bit at a time. So the consistency that you're looking for isn't super liquidy. You still want it to be kind of thick. So I'm just going to add a little bit more than this, and that should be good. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in the flavoring. So everyone gets a random flavor. This one is lemonade, but yours could be different. And I'm just going to use the pipette to get a couple of drops. I think I used about 5 or 6 maximum. And then I rinsed out the pipette before I used it again to put the lip gloss into the tube. And you want to make sure everything's stirred up so it's all mixed up really good. So the last thing you're going to do is you're going to use the pipette to put the lip gloss into the tube. So you want to get all the way to the bottom and make sure you get both corners, and then just a little bit at a time you're going to fill it up. Now I did speed up the video, so if it takes a little bit longer to get everything in the tube, that's okay. So once you fill it up all the way to the top, you're going to put in the little stopper, and then you just kind of give it a good push. Careful not to squeeze the tube while you're doing it. Just sort of brace it, and then you can put the cap on and you're good to go. Thanks for joining me. I hope you like making your lip gloss. If you post any pictures, make sure you tag us at WinLib on Instagram.